alligator snapping by the lake. B for bear, who loves to bake a cake. C for cat, who purrs so sweet. D for dog with dancing feet. E for elephant, big and gray. F for fox, who runs away. G for giraffe, so tall and neat. H for hippo, who loves to eat. I for iguana, basking in the sun. J for jaguar, ready to run. K for kangaroo, jumping high. L for lion with a mighty cry. M for monkey, swinging free. N for newt, near the sea. O for owl, who hoots at night. P for penguin in black and white. Q for quail, who scurries fast. R for rabbit, hopping past. S for snake, who likes to slide. T for tiger, full of pride. U for unicorn, a magical guest. V for vulture, building a nest. W for whale, singing loud. X for zebra, standing proud. Y for yak with shaggy hair. Z for zebra with stripes to wear.